L-arti inni nħobba mindu kont żgħir, minn hemm kont inħossa l-arti. Bdejt nistudja l-ewwel bħala suġġett biex nagħmel A-level l-iskola technical, ir-raħal ġdid, kont nistudja taħt George Fenech, u mbagħad iddeċidejt li nkomplija u komplejt l-iskola tal-arti.
Mill-figurattiv għall-astratt x'imkien bejn il-modern u l-kontemporanju, insibu wirja ta' Alex Dalli li tesplora l-vista li qed tonqos u l-impatt ta' dan fuqu fuq l-artist u fuq l-uman.
Alex and I met quite kind of coincidentally. Besides my work as a freelance curator, I also hold a position at the Malta Society of Arts, where the exhibition will be held. And Alex was thinking of doing an exhibition there, and he kind of approached me and asked me whether I would be interested in curating. I had known Alex's work for a very long time and had been an admirer of his work from a distance for a very long time, and so I immediately accepted.
Jien naddi l-messaġġ u ngħidak li nħoss bl-arti. U jiġu momenti fejn ġieli meta ttella ħafna xogħol, għalkemm jiena neċita ħafna ruħi meta niġi ħantella exhibition, jiġu momenti ngħid kważi ħajja ma tellajt xejn, però nħossu fl-istess ħin bħal talent li Alla tani talent u ma rridx naħbih u hekk. Irrid nurih il-ħadd ieħor dat-talent. Semmejni għal-ħabba tal-għajn. Di semmejni għax kien moment mhux faċli għalija. Dejjem xtaqt li l-arti tkun ix-xogħol dejjem tiegħi, kwaħed hekk jixtieq. Però mnalla wkoll, jien dak li qabel kont inħoss negattiv, minnu mnalla ma nistilitx miegħu dan negattività għax joħroġ il-pożittiv.
What's interesting to me about Alex's work is that he started off in the 70s painting figuratively. Then as his work developed over the next 40 years, he kind of changed his style, and his style developed into a more abstract style and eventually into a more minimal style. And nowadays, 40 years after his beginnings, he's kind of working completely with color, completely with texture, and an interest in line predominates. And Il-ħabba tal-għajn is going to trace this arc and follow this shifting artistic language from the figurative into the abstract.
Dati tal-exhibition ix-xahar id-dieħel ħatiftaħ 8 Ġune sa 28 Ġune. ħatkun il-Malta Society of Arts, post li veru jien jiġbidni u ġobni għax jiena biex intell exhibition, irrid norbot qalbi wkoll mal-post. Qisni rrid insir ħabib ukoll mal-post.
This shift in Alex's style is also paralleled by a growing concern with the spiritual in art. Alex started off being more interested in earthly concerns. You know, he started off painting pots and painting figures, and this comes from a desire in Alex's youth to kind of escape perhaps difficult conditions in his childhood, and then this slowly transformed into a more subtle understanding of the world and a more spiritual understanding of the world, and the spiritual understanding of the world necessitated a new language, and that was an abstract language, and this is what Il-ħabba tal-għajn will kind of look at.